Welcome to our fascinating magical journey into the kitchen. In this video, we will delve into the world of mysterious whispers that accompany us during food preparation. You will learn how to use words to attract prosperity, wealth, happiness, and health into your life through culinary processes. Let's start with chopping cabbage, where every time the blade meets this vegetable, we whisper a spell to attract money. I chop the cabbage, adding money. As the cabbage is cut, money flows into my wallet. Immersed in aromatic soups, we will whisper words of happiness, abundance, and love into each boiling pot. While stirring and slicing the ingredients, we whisper the following phrase. I cook soup so that everyone who eats it becomes healthy and wealthy, experiencing happiness and love. And when preparing porridge, we not only mix the ingredients but also whisper money-related words to attract prosperity. As the porridge cooks, money multiplies, increases, and accumulates. However, the kitchen is not only a place of magic but also a place where unpleasantness may lurk, such as spilled salt. In folk beliefs, salt holds special significance and can be associated with omens and superstitions. One such omen is the spilling of salt, which is believed to lead to conflict or scandal. But there's no need to worry. One folk practice involves using whispers to eliminate problems related to spilled salt. Take a pinch of salt with your right hand and, throwing it over your left shoulder, recite the following words. Salt, salt, salty, pain, pain, painful. Let nothing of it harm me. Amen. Such a whisper is aimed at dispelling negative energy and preventing the fulfillment of the salt-related omen. In conclusion, we hope that our video on whispers in the kitchen has helped expand your knowledge of magical practices related to food. Remember to approach these practices with respect and mindfulness. Whispers in the kitchen can become not only a way of cooking but also a way of strengthening our connection with the energy of food, expressing gratitude for nourishment, and creating harmony in our lives. Continue experimenting with whispers, aligning yourself with positive changes, and attracting happiness, wealth, and health into your life. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We wish you magical culinary experiments and much joy in every prepared dish.